currently in July here in the UK, but I thought I'd just introduce the thought into people's minds for the winter time. And what I've got here this time is a beautiful fedora that is in a bottle green colour. And as you can see, it's quite a raked top on it with a beautiful, it's a diamond shape on the crown on this one. The material is a western weight, so it's the sort of felt that we'd normally make festival hats or even these open roads in, to be fair. This one's got a special pounce on it, but it is an absolute superb quality hat for the winter, because these felts, they just take whatever the wind and the rain throws at them. So this one is 230 grams. It's got a special pounce over it from the factory, which is, it feels like a suede fur, you know, it's really, really soft and lovely. It's 100% rabbit, and inside we've got one of my custom liners in there. I made this one for myself last Christmas actually, and it was it's been absolutely beautiful. But of course, with so many hats, I haven't worn it that much, and want to pass it on to somebody who perhaps would really enjoy it this coming winter. Now, it's 12.5 centimeters at the front, so that's really, you know, quite a high hat, and at the back it's at the bottom of the diamond there, it's 9 centimeters, so quite a rake. The actual brim width is 6.5 centimeters. That's a good width for me, 6.5 centimeters. In fact, it's probably a good width for a lot of people, which is just creeping into the fedora area. So let me show you what it's like on, because it'll give you an idea more about how it might look. But there we go. That's quite a nice. I sort of wear them down like that, or up. But on this one, I prefer the brim down. So this is now available, and whenever I sell a hat and send it out, it comes in this lovely hat box, which is custom made from a UK supplier, with an oval inside, and the hat drops in there nicely, so it will arrive in good condition. And I always pop in there some instructions about how to look after your hat, a little thank you note from me, a business card, and I use some security stickers which I put on the outside of the box, so that I've never had them tampered with, but they're quite difficult to imitate if they are you know, slit open and anything tampered with inside. So there we are. It's a beautiful bottle green hat with lovely grosgrain trim around the brim here and around the crown, and that's up for sale now, and it's western weight, really nice solid hat.